An artist uses AI to visualize a clear guitar embedded. Did I just call it a guitar?
You sure did.
Not a guitar. Embedded with flowers, and people want it IRL.
Hey.
It's pretty cool. Yeah. I honestly think one of the unsung, maybe slightly less exciting AI things is just this. Just, you would never make this.
It's really clever.
And it's just
the prompt.
But also just to mock up something outlandish and then be like, actually, could be cool.
And the way that, the light hits it, the rendering,
I mean,
the technical aspects.
You definitely have.
It's very cool.
You definitely have guitars that are like see-through. They exist, but this one embedded these flowers into it, which is another level, obviously, and it's not a real thing that exists, but I'm not surprised. Probably put it on social media and people are like, I'll buy it right now. It was similar to when Nike put those big puffy cozy things, and then people were like, where do I buy?
Yeah.
Show me where to buy.
Very comfortable.
Yeah, it's reminiscent of resin art. It's when they do all those live edge tables and then they put little knickknacks inside the resin. Are you a big resin guy?
I'm a big fan, yeah. I like that kind of art.
Big resin guy. Yeah, so let's see here. Put it onto Instagram. What do we get? A couple likes on there or what? Got a couple of likes. Oh, just 1 million. Just a quick 1 million likes.
It's crazy how you can just make this prompt. It generates the image. You just post it up online. And then it's like over 1 million likes.
Yeah.
Wow. Really nice. I challenge someone to build this. It's going to be really heavy, but it's doable with resin art.
This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.